Hi everybody, this is Mark Florka, your Baked in Science podcast host. This is the end of IBA 2023. I'm up here in the press office, just taking a load off for a minute and kind of recapping some of the things that took place today. There's been some incredible innovation throughout the show. One of the most interesting things that I saw today was a grain where they take spent brewing grains and dry them and then grind them into flours, and so they have them in different brewing sources type of flavors, which is quite amazing, and they are very nutritious, 50% fiber and 20% protein. The other thing that was very innovative, and I'll be doing a conversation with the gentleman on a future Baked in Science podcast, is micro perforated baking paper, the first of its kind, and just incredible. And so that it is really transmitting the heat much better, getting a much more even bake, especially for things like croissants and macaron and choux paste and things of those types. So really great for mid-sized bakeries that still use parchment paper on baking pans and things as part of the solution. The other thing I wanted to mention is that if you would like an opportunity to win a 30-minute consultation with myself, Mark Florka, of BAKERpedia, that is a $125 value. All you have to do is to tell me how many visitors did IBA expect and how many exhibitors were there. And so the 23rd person, you know, it's 2023, so the 23rd person to post the correct answer in our Facebook Baking Industry Professionals group will win the 30-minute free consult. So how many visitors, how many exhibitors, be the 23rd poster, like the 23rd correct answer is what I will take as the winner. So there's knowledge, pay attention to the previous broadcasts that we've put out, and a little bit of luck. Hit that number 23 or just post. All right, that's it for me for now, and I'm signing off from IBA 2023. This is Mark Florka, your Baked in Science podcast host. We'll see you all in the next one.